Importance of protein in a healthy diet. Protein is a crucial nutrient that the body needs for a variety of processes. It is crucial for the immune system's upkeep, hormone and enzyme synthesis, and tissue growth and repair. In a balanced diet, protein is essential for the development and maintenance of muscles, bones, and other structures. Moreover, it promotes the synthesis of vital neurotransmitters and hormones, supports the creation of red blood cells, and aids in the control of blood sugar levels. Amino acids, which are the fundamental units of protein, make up protein. 9 of the 20 main types of amino acids, which the body cannot make on its own and must be consumed. Meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds are among the foods high in protein. On average, experts advise adults to ingest 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. Yet, depending on variables including age, sex, degree of activity, and health status, different people may have different protein demands. It's also critical to remember that balance is the key. A high-protein diet may increase the risk of heart disease and renal damage, among other health issues. Thus it's crucial to eat it in moderation.